If I were to ask your child right now to introduce themselves to me, whether here online or in person, will I be able to tell how amazing kids they are? In other words, are they an effective communicator? Will they be able to share their talents or their gifts to the people that they meet? There is an opportunity for 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th graders to come join me in the morning of effective communication skill building. Kids from all backgrounds will practice how to speak professionally, understand instructions, make requests, ask questions, and share information. It will be virtual workshop online in STEM Leadership Lab's Google Classroom, a workshop with not only me, but 2 of the amazing project manager from our STEM Leadership Center. And it will be held on Monday, July 6th from 9 a.m. till 12 p.m. I am Patty Paggna, a senior from North Catholic High School, and a leader of Introverts Odyssey Fellowship at the STEM Leadership Center. I am gathering 10 participants from 6th to 9th grade for the Being Heard 101 workshop. We will be learning an effective communication skill. Sign up today from the link down below, or you can look up my website for more information. Goodbye!